That's roadside assistance.
Roadside service there, I seen it.
All right. Okay, we're putting some gas in the sheriff's car.
Sponsored by Curio
I'm
Tow.
telling you, I would have thought he was already gassed up the way he was acting. Looked like he had a 3 martini lunch if I've ever seen one.
Did he go around in a couple circles though?
Okay. Just working it in, making sure they know the line around the track. I keep thinking we're about ready to go, and then we're not. The GoPro is on. The drone is in the air. The secret word hasn't been guessed. Some of them have. We still have the flashing lights. Oh, it looks like they're going to take him out of the arena.
Oh,
he was
the
dead
flag's
before he
down.
got going. Took his stick down. Yeah.
Did you see the
Maybe
drone?
that.
There?
That donut he pulled must have been the last one a cop will get. You know what? Oh, looks like they're getting a green flag. They're getting a green flag. Here we go. There they go. They got the green flag. Hammer down, boys. Let's go. Let's see how this goes. All right. We got the number 3 looking for a reverse. He's going. We got number 2 coming around the other. There we go.
And Bodie gets it.
That took the original right out of the creation.
Oh.
All right. I think they're ganging up on him.
Here it goes. Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure what that
please.
Oh, we just got a blast of fresh air.
Yeah, where'd that come
Somebody
from?
fixed something.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
All
Whoa.
right, they're all running.
That's definitely left a mark. Don't run over the front end.
All right. Rusty Forks dragging the utensil there.
Oh, we got. Okay,
they're
keep
hooked
going.
together.
Go ahead.
If you got 2 3s up together, that's half a full house.
Oh, there.
I think the right side number 3's upside down.
Oh, there you go. That bust them loose. Oh, they're still there. Now, can you get it going? Can you get it going?
Well,
Here he comes. There you go. All right, we got
all right, turn the wheels the other way, Bo. The number 2's. Oh, he's lining him up. He's lining him up.
All right, we got the.
All right, they said
40
77
cars going again.
Officially disqualified. We made Barry feel so bad he went down to Sutherland and bought an air conditioner.
Whoa, there you go.
Good now, thanks, man. Okay. Oh, looks like we got some smokage. Looks like some radiator steam.
There's a few of them there. Maybe you got any extra water.
31 seems to have it going on.
Oh, they're still going.
They're moving.
Bodie's still trying to get her going.
Anybody out in there who has a microphone, one of you people that has the red microphone, you need to shut it off. We're getting a lot of feedback. So down on the field, if you have one of the microphones, please turn them off.
Okay, looks like the 31's
going.
coming around the front side.
Come on, they gotta get hitting.
He's got him. He's
Hit
got him
somebody.
rough looking. That's a rough looking right front on that.
The dog's dragging his tail, but he's going. Number 4, still going.
Rusty Forks dragging a hind.
He's made. Oh, almost made contact. There's a little contact. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, we got a flat tire. Still rolling though.
That looked a little close.
Okay, number 3.
I think he tried to
31.
shut her
Getting
down.
ready. Here comes 31.
All right.
31's coming
Here
through.
comes the 3-1. Backing in. We got a hit. Oh,
Not a bad hit. Not bad. Oh,
what happened there?
Good dog like that.
I think that little rusty Ford, that's not going to have any tires left. It'll still be moving.
Is that the Pinto?
Kind of like our secret word with drag it along.
We still haven't got a guess on that.
All right, no, nobody's guessed the secret word yet. But the B3's coming. Oh, look at that. That was just a little
So
outside.
close.
It was a swing and a miss.
Okay, here goes.
All right. This is kind of nerve-wracking, I gotta be honest. All right. I think the reason number 2's still running is he has that fan on the hood. Oh.
There you go.
Say hello to my little friend. Bumper.
My little friend Bumper. That's funny.
I don't care who you are, that's kind of funny.
That busts me up.
I tell you, everything's moved to the far end of the arena. I tell you, I had to get me some fur, some cool.
Shut him down. Shut him down, boys. Shut him down.
Okay. All right. Looks like we might have some winners. Looks like we might have a donation going on. What do we got? If that wasn't the best heat of the night, that was without the most recent heat of the night. Oh boy, okay, we finally got some air conditioning up here. Okay, we can hook you up. Okay.